Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my first 2021 fall decor DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions.
For the first DIY, I'm going to be using these two gather signs that I found at the Dollar Tree. On one of them, I just removed the gather part, and for the second sign, I'm just going to be using the frame. I used an ivory color to spray paint the frames and I let them dry for a couple of minutes. Once the spray paint was done drying, I hot glued some wood beads and I'm going to be placing the second frame on top.
I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
I'm going to be filling it up with some Dollar Tree floral and some lanyards that I got from Walmart.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Oh. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
For the second DIY, I was going for a de-stressed look for this pumpkin, so I'm going to be using the backside and I'm just gently adding some ivory chalk paint.
He's got me looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast.
And now I'm just going to be hot gluing this family sign onto the center.
Give satisfaction, no. Help me, grab his right arm. Help me, I'll take the left. Oh, help me, interrogate him.
And to give it some detail, I'll be adding some lanyards and a simple bow.
High is your patience? Oh, can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Oh, can I be saved? Tell me, what is the use? Tell me, there's no more compassion. No, no. Come and find me under these layers, among these taxpayers. There's no satisfaction. No, no. I said, help me, help myself. Forgive me, down from the shelf. Oh, help me, dislocate. How big
For the last and final DIY, with some hot glue, I'm just going to be putting together the black sign with the two scarecrow signs.
I wanna catch the wave. Now how big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. Hold on, he will break.
To cover up the sides, I'm going to be using these galvanized signs that I found at the Dollar Tree.
Have no fear.
I wasn't really liking the way that the image of the scarecrows were showing, so I'm going to be using some ivory chalk paint just to cover it up.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
For the finishing touch, I'm just going to be adding the greenery and the floral. I got 3 little pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to be placing them on the center.
I wanna catch the wave. Now how big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, please comment down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Honestly, mine was this one. I just loved how it ended up looking, and it's a pretty big size for my dining table, so I am so excited to finally place it there. But with all of that said, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.
Grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on